Welcome everyone to our Lean channel. This is Mark. In our previous videos, we covered the first four subclauses of element 7.1 of ISO 9001:2015 standard. If you missed those clips, check the link to our channel below to catch up. Today, we will talk about element 715, monitoring and measuring resources. If you are new to our channel, click the subscribe button to be the first to see our new videos. Also, if you stay to the end, I will show you a link to a bunch of Lean templates that will make your job much easier. This element contains two subclauses, general and measurement traceability. The general part requires that the organization shall determine and provide the resources to ensure valid and reliable results when monitoring or measuring to verify the conformity of products and services to requirements. Also, the organization shall ensure that the resources are suitable for the specific type of monitoring and measurement and are maintained to ensure their continuing fitness for their purpose. The last requirement of this subclause states that we shall retain appropriate documented information as evidence of fitness for the monitoring and measurement resources. Although the new wording refers to monitoring and measurement resources, this clause resembles element 7.6 of ISO 9001:2008, called control of monitoring and measuring equipment. I am not sure why the 2015 revision of the standard moved away from all familiar and informative term equipment to resources, but it is what it is. So let's translate the new phrasing into the industry standard language and determine how to meet these requirements. The first requirement for an organization to determine and provide the resources needed to ensure valid and reliable results to monitor and measure products. This information comes from product design in the form of product specifications. The following requirement shall ensure that the resources are suitable for the specific type of monitoring and measurement and are maintained to ensure their continuing fitness for their purpose. In part, this statement duplicates the requirement above and adds the need to protect the equipment and devices and to calibrate or verify them to ensure their continuing fitness. This requirement is simply good housekeeping practice. Do not throw around your dial indicators or calipers to keep them intact. The last condition of this subclause states that the organization shall retain appropriate documentation as evidence of fitness for the monitoring and measurement. This means that we have to keep calibration or verification instructions and records. Okay, by now we have identified what the standard needs. So, it is time to figure out how we can track our 10, 50, or 500 measuring devices. Well, this part is easy. In one of our previous videos, we discussed an asset list. This list includes services required for this or that measuring device, calibration, maintenance, verification, and others. You can find a link to this list below. To summarize, by now, we have covered 5 subclauses of element 7.1. In the following video, we will move to element 7.152 measurement traceability. As I promised in the beginning, here is your link to our free templates. Go to the Academy page on our website and look for your free downloads. This is all for today, guys. As always, thank you for subscribing, likes, sharing, and comments. Your support helps us promote our Lean QMS project. If you wish to learn more about Lean ISO management systems, check out my book, The Lean Revolution. Click the link on the screen for a short overview, or go to Amazon with the link below. Thanks for joining me, and stay tuned for the following videos. I hope to see you then.